All right, hi, welcome back, Attorney Steve Vondran. We are talking trademarks in this video, and in particular, renewing your trademarks. Okay, so a lot of you may have trademarks for your company, your brand, your logo, slogans, things like that. But you may not realize that you also have to renew your trademark after the 5th year, but not later than the 6th year. So between your 5th and 6th years, you have to file a declaration called a Section 8 declaration with the United States Patent and Trademark Office in order to keep your trademark. If you don't, you lose it. There is no extensions, there's no waivers. So let's take a look how you're going to do that, okay? If you're wondering, what about my trademark? How do I know what the date is? I created this website called searchtest.com, okay? I got the domain because frankly, I got so tired of trying to find this site. But just go here, click on my green bar that I put up there for you, nice and easy. Takes you right where you need to search for your site. Now I'm going to go search for one of my domains. Let's see, you click, we defend. This is one of my trademarks, and I know it's coming up for renewal because I have it on my calendar. So here it is. You click we defend. It's got the date that I filed it, the date that it was registered, the registration number. Now, all you need to do, find your trademark and then hit this button, TSDR. Okay, it'll take you in here and give you the same kind of information. You can look up these other things, but all you need to do is go to maintenance to find out when you need to renew it. All right, so here we go. The Section 8 6-year declaration, the due dates. The last date the Section 8 can be filed without paying additional fees. That would be a late fee. March 27, 2024. I go, okay, throw that in my calendar, make sure I don't miss it. File the fee. It's $225 per class that you originally filed for. So again, you can see how the trademark office really wants these fees coming in. That's a lot of money. Add up all those 225s. It's a lot of money. Okay. Now, if by chance you missed this date, you didn't put it on your calendar like Attorney Steve told you to do, you can still file. You're going to get a 6-month grace period, as you can see right here. You can pay an additional, I think it's $200 additional late fee, September 27, 2024. If you miss that date, your trademark's gone. Somebody else may come try to snap it up, create a big legal mess for you. You're probably going to have to hire lawyers. So make it simple. Go to searchtest.com, look up your trademark, make sure you put in your calendar when it's due, and make sure you're filing your renewals. If you need help, you know where to find us, attorneysteve.com. That's attorneysteve.com. Here comes another trademark, the first name in legal services. You can find us at attorneysteve.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. General legal information only, not legal advice. See you next time.